Hello everybody. Today I will teach you more about the TextBlock. And you see already we have the property text, property font size, property foreground, property horizontal align center, vertical align center, property margin, and padding. I think you should understand if you are programming or coding in web development. The text is the core property for the TextBlock. Text is important. If the TextBlock don't have the property text, no, it's not good. And font size, change font of the text, and foreground, change color of the text. Horizontal, vertical, okay, this is set the alignment. And margin is the space outside the text block. That means if the text block has the border, you should try the border. If the text block has the border and the margin is outside, it is space outside of the text block border between other element. Okay, it is space between other element and outside border of the text block. And padding is the space between the text property value and the border. The space between text and the border of the text block. Okay. Okay. Now we try a new one. We have wrap property. Text wrap property. We can try wrap and we just copy, control V, control V, control V, control V. So, and look at the application. Okay, let's stop and start again. We see what is brand. Okay, that's long, right? And if I change value to no wrap and just save it, look at application. Oh, no wrap. Overflow. You see? If you change value to wrap, save it, and look at application. Yes, it will wrap the text according to the size or the width of the window. Okay, let's go to another property. Just simple property. This already, but now I try new one. This one I don't want to use text property. Okay, I try to remove it. Okay, remove text block. Okay. In just a moment, I said the text is the core of the text block. If you don't have the text property, so text block is nothing. Now, I don't say it again. Can use text block without property text, but we can use run element in the text block instead of property text. Okay, the XAML similar to HTML. So you can close the bracket or you can create new in element. Okay, start element in element. Now, if you run application, stop and run again, and you see if the text property is important or not. Yeah, there is no text display for the user. So, what I have to do? Okay, in the text block, we can use the new element to call other element like run. Run is the child of the TextBlock element. You can use more than one in the TextBlock. Example, I create a run and create text and set run zone 1, 0, 1, and copy path more, and run 0, 2 and run 0, 3. Just save it and look at the application. Oh, all right. Now I want to change for color. Okay, remove here and try foreground. Try red at the first one and foreground. Try blue in the second one and foreground. Try yellow at the third one. Okay, now look at the app. Wow, it's like a rainbow, red, blue, and yellow. So you don't need to create a TextBlock more than one TextBlock, but you just need one TextBlock and you can create multiple text, multiple property. Okay, like font size. Okay, you can move here and change font size. 50 and font size. 40 and other font size. Oh no, font family. Just font size. 20. Okay, let's save and look at application. Oh yes, first one red, second one blue, and third one yellow. There are more than property in the TextBlock, and we can run with the run element. We have font family. You can choose family. We have font weight for bold. For font weight, we can get bold, extra black, or extra light. Okay, extra black, and save it. Look at the app. Here, it's bold. Okay, and try this one too. Font weight and extra light. Just save it and look at it. Oh, yeah, it's in. And other property. Okay, learn with me. Font stretch. What is font stretch for? Normal, content, expand, undefined. What is that? No, I think normal. Oh, semi content. Oh, what's that? Just save it. Look at that. Oh, nothing. Oh, anything else? Content, expand. Expand. Look at that. Oh, no. Oh, okay. It's similar. Okay, this is the property font stretch, and you can try by yourself. I think in the develop, it's not important. Important for display, but style. You can create your own style. Or you can try other property, font stretch I never use, and font family or something I never use, or you can use it. Font family is just write the name of the font, and it will catch for you. And now continue to the child element. We can say, okay, let's. What is the child element more? And it should be, oh, hyperlink. Yes, hyperlink. Hyperlink is a child element of the block 2. link should have the property what property navigation UI, and we should create link example. I copy from here, paste here. So it's when we click on the hyperlink, it's not work. If you run the application, it's not work. Why? Because we don't have the text. We don't have the text for click to link to this app. So we need to create the run element for click. Attach, click here for link of hyperlink. Okay, let's save it and look at the app. Oh, here. Now I try to click. Oh, yes, here. Here. This is the hyperlink. Just click to URL. Okay, and let me find the useful more in the TextBlock. Oh, it's all like create a simple TextBlock. Like I remove everything. Remove everything and here and just put text. Say hello world. Just save it. Look at the app. Over here, and I change horizontal line. Save it. Look at the app. Okay, and I change vertical line. Okay, look at the app. Oh no, vertical line and horizontal line. Save it. Look at here. Oh yes. Now we create the style for all TextBlock. If you want to this TextBlock to use that style, we can set property for style resource of the main app. Now we practice, it's more understand. Okay, go to app.xml, and this is the resource. Just let me find here a little more. I just try this. Try style. What is style for? This style will create for the first when run app. If any TextBlock want to use that style, just use the property static resource to get its style to use. Okay, now we add new one. H key and set the name, the TextBlock. My TextBlock style. And target for TextBlock, right? Okay, right block. Now, in the block on style, which property you want to apply to this style? Now, set setting, setup, setting, just setup, and property name. Now we apply font size. and the value of the font size it should be 50 like before, and we apply the style setter property foreground. Oh, foreground value should be red if it was red. Okay, now we just create two property. For example, for everyone you can try other property too. Now let's apply my TextBlock style to any TextBlock if you want. So I have this block and I create a new one in here. I create. We will learn stack panel in other day, and I'll just horizontal, vertical, orient. Okay, orientation. We should use vertical for display this, and I will change to get styles from app, and I just apply styles and break and static resource, because we create for the static resource in the app XAML. This is the static resource when app run, and we will create the static resource here, and then if the TextBlock, this block one that style, yeah, get it by using style property and break static resource and choose the name of the style. My TextBlock style. Just save it and look at the app. Wow, get style from app, and this is the hello world. Okay, that is easy, right? Yes, that's easy. If you want to create a multiple style, yes, just do it, but you should use different name and different type, like button, like radio button, like checkbox, like something else is the element of the XAML of WinUI3, and you can put a name of the style. I think you should put the name of element. It's better understand. Okay, this is the first tutorial for the TextBlock and the first element too. You can apply style for the TextBlock itself, but I think we should use a static resource for the whole application, and you can change every time if you want. Okay, this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. If I do something wrong or speak something wrong, please allow me to excuse, because I try to speak English more and more, and best I support for speak English. Thank you. See you next time.